Everybody, totally enjoyed the show, guys. All right, I'm gonna do food reviews, okay? Now people say they want to hear food reviews, okay? I'm constantly dieting. I always exercise and diet. So if I'm eating something, I have a small portion of it, and I don't have too much of it, or sometimes I do. I allow myself a lot, depending on the day or what I'm doing. But I try not to eat too much, okay? But this is a food review, okay? So KFC, the whole menu of KFC. I love KFC. When I go there, I usually have one piece of chicken, a chicken thigh, and I order one chicken thigh, just one, all right, and then I munch on it, darling. Usually that's what I get, or a Diet Pepsi or whatever. But I love popcorn chicken. I love all those foods. I love the chicken crunch sandwich, the twister wrap, and all that, right? Very tasty, right? I would say KFC delivers really good taste and has a punch in the taste, my darling, in terms of flavor. Yes, guys, totally enjoy it. And you can tell I diet because I'm always so skinny, right?